Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Pokemon video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Mewtwo doing his Shadow Ball Attack. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Mewtwo's Shadow Ball Attack, I'm going to begin with the eyes. I'm going to start right here and I'm going to want to make a check mark shape. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then it's going to come up like this. We'll do the same thing here, real close. We're going to come down and then we're going to bring it up. Starting here, I'm going to bring the line that's going to go over and then up for the eye. And we'll do the same thing here, just come over and then bring it up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line on each side. Then I'm going to make a little oval shape inside of here. And then we'll just color that part in. Now, starting up here, we're going to curve a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to go in. We'll do that same thing here, just kind of curve. We're going to go down, and then we're going to bring it in and connect for the nose. Then let's go ahead and put two little dots right here at the end. Starting here, we're going to go up, over, and then down for the ear. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go up, over, and then down. Then we'll make a sad face right here to connect it. For the neck, we're going to draw two lines that come down. Now for the shoulders, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down here. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to go up and then bring it down. Not quite as far though. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then over here. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. And then I'm going to bring it over here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up in kind of like this round thumb shape. See, it's kind of fat here than skinny than fat. We'll make a line across. And then I'll make another line that's going to curve around. And then we're going to bring it down here. Then we're going to bring this line over to here for the hand. Next, we'll make another little line that's going to curve over here for another finger. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to come down. We're going to bring this line up, and then I'm going to bring this line down. Right here, I'm going to curve this line up and then around for a finger. Then I'm going to bring this down and make another curved shape right here. Then I'm going to bring this up and put a little curve on it. And make another little bump right over here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve in, and then a little line here. And then I want to make two lines down here on the chest. Now, starting here, let's draw a little line that curves down. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve right to here. Now, starting here, let's make the legs. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then I'm going to curve to here. Then starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down to here. And then we'll make another little curve right here that comes up for the toes. I'm going to bring this back up to here. And then I'm going to add just a little curve, kind of circle shape right there. It's kind of like the little back of Mewtwo's heel. And then we'll add a little line here. Next, I'm going to continue this around. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to bring this up in like an oval shape. Bring this line back a little bit. Then I'm going to bring this line down farther. We're going to curve it. Then we'll make another little curved line right here for the toes. And then I'm going to put a little half circle here for that kind of heel shape. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then in. And then I'm going to curve this line right here. Now, starting here for the tail, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around. And we're just going to kind of make almost like an S shape right there. And then instead of starting here, I'm going to start up a little bit. And I'm going to curve a line around. I want to make it kind of skinny here, and then we're going to get it much fatter as it comes back towards the body. And we'll draw a little line to connect it here. Then I'll make another line here. And then I'm going to draw a line here and then a line here for some eyebrows. Now for the Shadow Ball, I'm just going to make a little circle shape right here. And then I'm going to make kind of like a bumpy, kind of jagged circle shape right around it. Then I'm going to make another kind of little bumpy shape around here. And then I'm going to make some kind of like squiggly little pointy lines around here to kind of make it look like there's some like electricity and stuff coming out of here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Mewtwo doing his Shadow Ball attack. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.